Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that might sound complicated, but is actually super important for your future. Taxes. Whether you're getting your first job or starting to make money through side hustles, understanding taxes is a huge part of managing your finances. In this video, we'll break it all down, from the basics to what you need to know as a teen. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly are taxes? Taxes are money that you pay to the government. Think of them as the price we pay for living in a country with schools, hospitals, roads, and other services. Every time you buy something, work a job, or even get paid, taxes come into play. Taxes help fund these services. The more you earn, the more taxes you'll likely pay. But don't worry, it's not all bad. Taxes help maintain the things that make our country function, and we all play a part in that. Let's break down the two main types of taxes you'll encounter: income tax and sales tax. First, income tax. This is the tax the government takes from your paycheck. If you work a part-time job or earn money from side hustles, the government will withhold a portion of your earnings to cover income tax. So, when you get paid, you'll notice that your paycheck isn't the full amount you earned. Income tax rates in the US vary depending on how much you earn. For example, if you earn up to $11,000 a year, you'll pay 10% of that in taxes. Once you start earning more, like between $11,000 and $44,725, you pay 12%. And if you make over $44,725, you could pay anywhere from 22% to 37%, depending on your total income. Don't worry. If you're just starting out with a part-time job, most likely you'll only pay 10%, which means that for every $100 you earn, $10 goes to taxes. Next, let's talk about sales tax. Unlike income tax, this is a tax you pay when you buy things. For example, if you're shopping for clothes or getting lunch, the price you pay at checkout is usually higher than the price you see on the tag. Why? Because of sales tax. Sales tax rates vary from state to state. In California, the sales tax is 7.25%, while in Texas, it's 6.25%. Some states like Delaware don't charge sales tax at all, which is pretty cool for shoppers. So, let's say you buy a $20 t-shirt in a state with a 7% sales tax. That means you'll pay an extra $1.40, making the total cost $21.40. The sales tax can add up over time, so it's something to keep in mind when budgeting. Now, how do taxes get taken out of your paycheck? This is where withholding comes into play. When you start working, your employer will automatically take out money from your paycheck to cover your income tax. It's a system that ensures you don't owe a huge lump sum at the end of the year. For example, if you earn $500 this week and you're in the 10% tax bracket, about $50 will be withheld for taxes, and you'll take home $450. Don't worry, this doesn't mean you'll lose that money. When tax season comes, you'll file a tax return, and if you paid too much in taxes, you'll get that money back as a refund. Here's a little secret. You might not have to pay as much in taxes as you think. You can qualify for tax deductions and credits. A tax deduction lowers your taxable income. For example, if you earn $6,000 in a year but qualify for a $500 deduction, you're only taxed on $5,500. And then there are tax credits. These are even better because they directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. For instance, if you owe $300 in taxes but qualify for a $100 tax credit, your tax bill drops to $200. If you're self-employed, like if you do babysitting, pet sitting, or anything where you're your own boss, you'll need to save extra for taxes. As a self-employed teen, you're responsible for both income tax and self-employment tax, which is 15.3% on your earnings. Make sure to save about 20% of what you earn, so you're ready when tax season arrives. Remember, the more you earn, the more you'll need to manage your taxes. But don't stress. Use tools like TurboTax or H&R Block to make filing easy. And if you're not sure about how much to save, setting aside 15 to 20% is always a good idea. And that's a wrap. Taxes don't have to be scary. Now you know the basics, and you're ready to take on the world of work and money like a pro. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more financial tips. See you in the next video.